Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear subscribers, I hope that you are all doing well and great in your lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Biology with Naz. In today's topic, we are going to discuss the methods of asexual reproduction. In previous lectures, we discussed about the method of fragmentation, budding, spore formation, binary fission, multiple fission, etc. Those were the methods of asexual reproduction. In today's topic, we are going to discuss the next method of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? When vegetative parts of plant, that is roots, stem or leaves, give rise to a new plants, the process is called vegetative propagation. There are two parts of plant. One of those are vegetative propagation, vegetative parts, and second are sexual parts or reproductive parts. Reproductive parts are those that takes place or that take part in the reproduction, and those are the flower of the plants. The rest of all the parts of plants are termed as vegetative parts of plant because they don't take part in the sexual reproduction. So the propagation that takes place by the vegetative part of plants is termed as vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation occurs naturally but can also be done artificially. In today's topic, we will discuss about the natural vegetative propagation method. There are several methods of natural vegetative propagation in different types of plants. One of those is bulbs. Bulbs are short underground stems, and these are surrounded by thick fleshy leaves, and these fleshy leaves contain stored food. Adventitious roots arises under the base of bulb, while shoots arises from the top of the base. As you can see in the given picture, tulip, lilies and onions reproduce by bulbs. Next part of natural vegetative propagation is corms. Corms are short and swollen underground stem, and these contain stored food. Birds are present at the top of corm, and from those birds shoot grows and form new plants. Dasheen and garlic reproduce by corms. Rhizomes. Rhizomes are horizontal underground stem with scale leaves. These are enlarged portion called nodes on the rhizomes, and from these nodes buds are produced. The bud present on the upper surface of rhizome give rise to shoots, and the lower surface of rhizome produces adventitious roots. Now, what are adventitious roots? The roots that arises from the other part other than the radicle of seed are called adventitious roots. And what is rhizome? The exact definition of rhizome is that these are the underground stem that perform both the function of root and stem at the same time. Now, ginger, ferns and water lilies, that is also termed as lotus, are reproduced by rhizome. Next method for the natural vegetative propagation is by stem tubers. Stem tubers are enlarged portion of underground stems, and there are aggregation of tiny buds in the form of eye along the surface of tubers, as you can see in the given picture aside. Then each bud develops into shoot that grows upward and also produces roots. The plants that grow by stem tubers are potatoes and yams. Suckers. Suckers are lateral stems close to the ground level, for example, as grasses. A sucker grows underground from some distance and then turns up, producing new plant. Mint and chrysanthemum reproduce in this way. In the given picture aside, you can see that the stem is grown along the surface of the around the underground, and the adventitious root has arise from the lateral surface of the suckers, and the shoots has arises from the upper surface of suckers. By leaves. Vegetative propagation by leaves occurs in Bryophyllum, and this plant is also known as patachat. And this is very uncommon method of natural vegetative propagation. Bryophyllum plant has fleshy leaves and adventitious buds are present at the margins of the leaves. When leaves fall on ground, the buds grow into new plants. So far in this video, we will meet in the next video with the new topic. Till then, take care of your beloved ones and never forget to subscribe and share my channel. Allah Hafiz.